This DS4 has problem, not able to charge, due to the damage to micro USB port. So it must be replaced with a new micro USB port. Let's repair it. First, we unscrew the 4 bolts on the back of the DS4. This is the inside of the DS4. Looks cool. This is the part that we have to replace with a new one. This is replacement parts. Make sure the type and model is the same as our DS4. Done. The DS4 can be charged, the problem fixed. Omake. This is junk Mr. Turntable L from Mr. Hobby. The condition is off and cannot be turned on. This junk was bought to repair my old Mr. Turntable that has damaged gear. Look, it's shaking. Let's unbox this junk Mr. Turntable L. The display condition is still very good. This is the inside of Mr. Turntable L. And this is the gear that must be replaced. And this is the gear from junk Mr. Turntable L, which is still in good condition. Let's replace the damaged gear. This is the damaged gear. And this is the gear with good condition. Let's repair it. Done. Because the condition of the mirror on the junk Mr. Turntable L is still good, so we just swap it. This is quite good. It's no longer shaking, problem solved. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching.
ありがとうございます。